Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Discord server name in a few easy steps. So let's don't waste your time anymore, let me show you how to do it. At first, click here on your server name, on this arrow here, and here it appears this window where you can create a channel, create a category, invite the people, but the thing you need to do is to click here server settings. So here you can upload an image for your Discord server, you can change the region, and also as you can see here you can change your Discord server name. So let's change it. Let's delete that one and let's change it to I love ponies, like this. And just now save the change from here, and now it's ready. As you can see, your server is named to I love ponies. So yep, that was how to change your Discord server's name. It wasn't complicated, and it's simple and easy. So yep, if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them down in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.